Mr. Sam Wanjohi, welcome to Africa 54. How are you today?
I'm very well, thanks, Paul.
You run a tech company. How are things under COVID, and what is it that you've been able to do to stay alive during this period?
Yeah, well, being in technology, I suppose we are a little bit more fortunate than bricks and mortar and more traditional industries. What we do is provide a solution that allows businesses and individuals to perform their financial duties, payments, accounting, etc., remotely. So for us as a business, the main challenge has been transitioning all our customer onboarding and support to online systems, and obviously working from home.
What kind of services have you come up with during this time?
Our solution is called Popote Pay, and Popote means anywhere, pay from anywhere. So years before this occurrence, we have always been promoting the attitude that business owners, individuals, managers, accountants need to be able to operate from anywhere at any time, and that can be made possible by technology. So our solution allows teams to take care of all their petty cash, account payables, and the accounting thereof remotely while they are not in the same place. So that is how the system has been working. So what we are finding is that ours is to explain to people how we can better support them at this period of time by giving our system Popote Pay, which allows people to requisition and approve payments using their devices anywhere. Payments are delivered instantly to all mobile numbers, to till numbers, pay bills, bank accounts without limits, and everything is accounted for on the system by general ledger, by projects, and it brings that remote collaboration to maintain complete integrity over their payments and to make sure that they are accounting and they are conserving enough cash as possible and that they are paying for the right things, that they have visibility on all expenditure before they make payments, and better transition them to, one, obviously traverse this difficult time, but also enable them to be more better to operate in a post-COVID economy, which is definitely going to be very heavy on digitization.
Just brought up some very interesting points. When you're dealing with money, the first thing that comes into mind is security. How secure is your platform, and what should people know about your platform?
Well, our platform is essentially an evolution of what you might already know from mobile money and bank systems. So, we're just several years ahead of what's out there by the big corporates. And our solution is extremely secure because we actually don't handle our clients' finances. So we are approved by the Central Bank of Kenya to work in partnership with payment service providers, which is the financial institutions. So we are directly connected into the M-Pesa environment and into banking infrastructure, soon also to connect into Visa infrastructure. So when you're paying, your money is moving through these infrastructures, and we are giving you really the tools to control it and to pass the initiations, the approvals, to have visibility of the funds, to see where they have ended up, the final recipient, and then to account for those transactions.
So basically, you're leveraging on already existing technology.
Yes.
Sam, how big is the fintech industry in Kenya?
With the advent of M-Pesa and the success of it and mobile money in general, that has created a platform for a lot of innovation, because everyone expects now to receive money instantly. You delay a payment and people ask you, but why didn't you just send it to me by mobile money? So we're definitely ahead of most of the world, definitely the leaders in Africa.
Who uses this, and how effective has it been for them in terms of feedback? When you hear back from them, what are some of their concerns?
So the biggest challenge is that barrier that a lot of people have to adopting technology. We get a lot of constructive feedback that we then include to developing the system further. But today is the time just to look forward, because technology is an equalizer across the world.
Thank you so much, sir.
All right, thank you, Paul.